Now, let us quickly see the script for backup and restore. The script is very simple. Here is the script to take backup of database. We have learned this in the previous module. The syntax is MySQL dump command followed by greater than operator and location of the file where database dump will be stored. Now, let's see the script for restoring the database. We will learn this in this module. The syntax is very similar to taking backup. MySQL command is followed by less than operator and location of the file containing database dump which we will restore. Though they look very similar, there are three important differences between them. First, the operator which we use between options and dump file has different direction in backup and restore operation. Additionally, we have taken backup with the help of MySQL dump, but we will restore the dump with MySQL command and not with the help of MySQL dump. I commonly see DBAs forgetting this minor detail and getting confused under stress while restoring the database. Remember, creating backup MySQL dump command and restoring backup MySQL command. Next, we will understand scenario which we will use in the demonstration.